In this video, I'm going to show you how to see old Street View images on Google Maps using your phone. By following these steps, you'll be able to look back in time and view how streets and roads looked years ago using past Street View data. First, go ahead and open the Google Maps app on your phone. Once you're inside Google Maps, the first thing you want to do is search for or manually find a location on the map. Keep in mind that not every location will have very old Street View data available. Some areas may only have recent updates, while busier roads and main streets can sometimes go as far back as 2010 or even earlier. Now, when you've found the general area you want to explore, zoom in slightly and press and hold on a road. It's important that you tap and hold directly on the road itself, not on a restaurant, shop, or any place of business. Holding on the road will drop a pin on that exact spot. After the pin drops, look towards the middle left side of your screen. You'll see a small square thumbnail icon with a circular arrow on it. This icon represents Street View. Go ahead and tap on that square icon, and Google Maps will switch you into Street View mode for that location. Once you're inside Street View, you can move around by swiping on your screen. You can look left, right, up, and down, and you can also move forward or backward along the street to explore the area just like you normally would in Street View. Now, to see older Street View images. Near the bottom of the screen, where the street name is displayed, under the street name, you should see an option that says See More Dates. Tap on this option, and it will open a timeline showing different years when Street View images were captured for that road. By default, you'll be viewing the most recent Street View image, such as one from 2022 or 2023. You can then swipe through the available years and select an older date, like 2015, 2012, or even 2011 if it's available. Once you tap on a specific year, Google Maps will load the Street View from that time, allowing you to see how the area looked back then. You can repeat this process for different roads and locations. Just remember that main roads and busy areas usually have more historical data, while smaller streets may only have one or two updates available. And that's it. That's how you can view old Street View images on Google Maps using your phone.